So if we have an alternate interior angle, we have also alternate exterior angles. So these angles can be found outside part of the angles or the transverse or the parallel lines. No? So we have here 1 and 2, 7 and 8. Again, in these figures, in this figure, angle 1 and angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are known as exterior angles. So, opposite side, when say alternate, no, opposite side of the transversal line. So, kung nandito ang left, kung ang angle 1 ay nandito sa left, no, sa ibabang parte, meron dyang or ibabang parte tsaka different side of the transversal line is its alternate exterior angle. So, angle 1 and angle 8, no, opposite, bali, angle 1 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angle, while angle 2 and angle 7 are also alternate exterior angle. Again, angle 2 and angle 7 are also alternate exterior angle. So, see, alternate exterior angles, these are angles that are congruent as well. So, kung sa value nito, mo po yung value ni 7. Kung sa value ni 8, mo po yung value ni 1. Again, this is what we call alternate exterior angles. So, we have here angle 1 is congruent to angle 8 because they are alternate exterior angle. And angle 2 is also congruent to angle 7. So again, balik tayo sa example. If we have your 60 degrees sa angle 1 at pinapahanap si angle 8, what's the value of angle 8? No, we have here, for example, what's the value of x? Correct. That is 60 degrees also. Because anong relationship nila? Alternate exterior angle. Sabi sa rule, pag alternate exterior angle yan, congruent. Pag sinabing congruent, parehas. So, kung 120 si 2, ano ang value ni 7? Correct. That is also 120 degrees. Okay? So, this ends our discussion about the relationship among the angles. Again, we have vertical angles, linear pier, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, and alternate exterior angles.